His name is Joanne, but I don't know if I don't remember an artist name. If you have an artist name, you have an artist name, Jenna?
King J.
King J.
Yes.
Come forward. You can sit in. No, the person who you rate vocally might not be the same person when you work. You rate in terms of stage presentation. Right. Is it the same?
No, it's not the same.
Who would you say you rate as the stage performer?
Stage performer, that's how I do.
I don't know. So, you name two names that is literally at the apex of dancehall in terms of regulation. Is literally the greatest, one of the greatest singular keys in Mobile. And in terms of performance, I think a lot of Jamaicans kind of sleep on it. I don't know as a performer. And then you like, they have a different level of command on stage. On stage. You know, we rate all the other artists. You can name a number of them. Capleton is one such artist that commands a certain level of energy from the crowd. The biggest part of the performance is audience interaction. Yeah, I mean, you know. 4. It's 1-1.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
4, 6. 1. S. 4. 2. 6 gone already. Jaja. 1 gone already. 2. 3. 1.
It come out so yours.
Oh, it come off so,
Yeah.
sir. Okay.
5.
No, Shelly, you can't. What is going on, Shelly? 5. Show somewhere to already. Bad. I want to show 6. Bad.
3.
6. Bad.
3.
I'm just doing what I want, you know.
What you want? Do you forget?
6.
6 you forget?
Yeah.
3. People, let me tell you something.
The board lean. The board lean.
People, let me
it
tell you
happens
something.
over. The board
People,
lean.
let me tell you something.
The board lean.
Please tell her that she cannot come into 2026 like this. This level of bad man can't work.
What?
Can't work. What we for do? Just leave
No,
her for
yeah,
the
you-
go and try get 6.
You know, all of them suck me as
People.
slackness.
She comes second again.
It's alright.
And I just told
There
her.
are 3 more Sundays to go.
Elijah Solomon.
Bless the Lord,
Blessed
brother.
love. Respect. Respect.
To belong, girl. Love is here at the greatest weapon. Never hear from my friends and my fam. Won't take here on the road if they want. Jar the energy when me I get it from. But when me drop 10 times, still I get to and try again. Drop 10 times, still I get to and try again. Just a smile it away, like got more bills yet to pay. Just guide on the way, soon we'll get my pay. Every day getting stronger, through the pressure we under. If we pray and stay humble, soon see we rise and then wonder. Every day in this jungle, hold the faith and stay humble. See me climb, see me stumble.
So, 2. No 2. No, go to 3. 3. 3. So, move first, draw it up. Wait.
Oh,
From
so
again,
it's what? So it's 2, 3. So if it's
So, we're going straight to 10.
So the number you call if it's land there.
and the person who first draw it up.
Draw it up.
So, then
Okay,
if I
but-
may, so if I may get the number, why
Put
get
down
the
Shelly.
No, it's anyone draw it up.
Yeah.
And then once the person get the point, you start over from 2 again. And then you say, no, you don't put it back in the pocket, you put it one side.
One side.
Okay.
So you try
Okay.
to your side and then you just continue. So you
Okay.
flip again, starting from 2.
Alright, let us go. Yeah, man, 2, 2.
Okay.
Yeah.
Feel free to show me your card.
Yeah, definitely.
Alright? Ready up.
2, 3. Okay,
That's 1, 2.
that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Jesus!
Yes. Ready again. 2, 3, 4,
Really?
5, 6,
No, man.
7, 8,
9.
9. Okay, 2, 1.
And that's it. Basically, showing.
Do I do it again?
Oh, so
Continue.
Oh, continue.
That trick,
Oh,
yeah.
Okay, okay.
2,
3,
3,
4.
4. And that's it.
That's a game.
Yes!
People, Dominic telling us that last week, I eat that. I eat that female. I first game this, me I win. So I eat that.